Kumusta guys? Ngayong araw magre-react tayo guys, pero hindi sa cover song ng band ng Mission Souls. Ito yung kanilang post sa kanilang YouTube channel na yung kanilang Facebook page, business page na-hack guys. And pakinggan natin guys kung ano yung nangyari. Panoorin natin tong kanilang video.
Hi Soulmates! We are in our cabin right now on the way to Lanao del Norte for another show. Unfortunately, we have some bad news to share with you. So our page, Facebook business page, has been hacked. We have been removed as page admins. So we couldn't get to our page just yet, but we are working with Meta support, and they're still working on how we can get our access again.
Someone reaches out to you guys using the Mission Souls page, please note that that's not us.
That's not us.
Especially if they're asking for money, please don't give any.
Grabe naman yung hack. Talagang ginagamit pa para lang makalikom ng pera guys. Talagang sa pang-i-scam gagamitin. Kaya siguro hinak yung kanilang Facebook page. Tinanggal sila sa pagiging admin.
Don't give out any cash.
If you need to reach out to us, please contact our mom and dad's cell phone numbers listed on our YouTube page.
Also, you can reach us through our personal Facebook page of our Facebook account.
Just a heads up, we don't have any official Spotify account yet.
Someone is also impersonating us on Spotify. That's not us. We're planning to release our originals, but right now we don't have any Spotify yet. Thank you.
Thank you for understanding and for your continued support.
Also to the one who hacked us, we're praying for you.
Pray for you. God bless everybody.
God bless everyone.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Stay safe.
Very
Later.
good, guys. At Maigo.
Maigo, Lanao del Norte. See you there.
See you there.
See you there. The show must go on.
The show must go on.
Let's go on, baby.
Grabe, sa kabila ng pang-hack sa Facebook page ng Banda Mission Souls, positibo pa rin yung kanilang pananaw. Ayan, sana maayos nila yung kanilang Facebook page, mabawi nila, no, para tuloy-tuloy yung ating pagsuporta at mapasaya pa nila ang maraming fans na sumusuporta sa kanilang musika. At sa mga hindi pa nakasubscribe guys, mag-subscribe na kayo sa Banda Mission Souls. Tsaka na magugustuhan nyo guys yung kanilang mga cover song. At hintayin din natin. Balita ko gagawa rin sila ng mga original songs nila. At ganun din guys, iniimbitahan ko kayo na ibisitahin nyo yung page ng Banda Mission Souls sa Army. Supportahan nyo guys. At isa doon sa admin din doon si Mami Sheena. Ayan, magsuportahan tayo doon at panoorin natin ang mga magagandang kanta ng Banda Mission Souls. Maraming salamat sa inyo panonood.